The secret to a fluffy scrambled egg is fat, fat, and more fat. Have your bowl ready? This is how we're gonna introduce the fat to the egg. Start by cracking your eggs. Add in some whole fat milk, followed by some cooking cream. Mix all those ingredients together. And now we're ready to fry the eggs. If you thought we're still done with fat, no. We will use more fat in this recipe. If you're looking for those fluffy eggs, you need more fat. Heat up your skillet on medium heat. And this time we're gonna add butter. Heat up your butter. Add in the eggs. Once the egg started to cook, it's time to turn off the heat and let the heat of the pan cook the eggs. Keep stirring and cooking. Season with some salt and black pepper. And now you're done. Now we're ready to plate. That's how you can get nice and fluffy scrambled egg. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the videos with your friends who are looking for good scrambled eggs recipe. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next video.